The reason why we thought of getting solar panels put on Britican was this boat is so power hungry, and also our cooker is electric, so we have no gas to put it on in the morning and on the evening, so you're just running the generator a lot. What I wanted to do was try solar panels. We tried two of the small flexible ones which weren't powerful enough. The technology's moved on so much. We got a quote in Charleston and it was $5,500 just for the frame, and then we had to pay, I think it was another $4,000, so it was going to be costing over $10,000. That was just ridiculous. It just wouldn't get our money back. Got a quote in Trinidad and it worked out at $6,600 for the lot. The panels, charger, the frame and fitting. So I was very happy with that. Let's just show you the process of us building the frame and putting the solar panels on.
So the guys now are putting up scaffolding because they're going to add the solar rack and panels to the back of our davits.
Here's the first part of the frame. We've done a couple of test goes with it. Today it's going to be fitted. So this is the first part, and then the frame on top will go on, which will hold the solar panels. The second bit of the frame's coming up now. He's welding it all together now.
I think Simon is excited.
Putting in this pipe, this is where the electric is going to go up and into there, and we're trying to get it symmetrical so it matches the bar on this side, which has all our antennas on, so it'll look nice.
So Britican's behind me, he's going in.
What we chose was we got 3 Panasonic 325 watt panels for our boat. We were recommended a charger that was built in the States, and it's an MPPT. And I asked for the frame to be made of 316 stainless steel. Okay, just woke up. When I looked at the amps going into the batteries, it was at -0.1. Looked at the sun the sun's still level with the boat. When I came back, we're now +1, and it's 6:45.
So does it seem like a promising sign?
Well, that's a promising sign, yes. So let's have a look at 10 and 11 and 12 and 2. Guess what the amperage is at now?
What?
8.4 going in.
Going in.
Yeah, and it's just gone 8 o'clock.
And are we at 100% battery?
We're down to 78%, we're now at 80.
Okay, so it's going to be pretty full soon.
Say, hopefully.
Cool.
So we've had them on the boat now for 2 months. We're really happy with them. Even after we're using all the powers that we use. I even make coffee on our electric oven, which takes a lot of power. We're still, by 2 o'clock, we're up to full power. We're always running between about 5 and 9 amps of power going out, and sometimes I'm actually seeing plus 18 to 22 amps going in, so I'm really happy with it. We used to run the generator probably 3 to 4 hours a day, and I'm now only using it maybe an hour and a half, if that, to when we do the cooking. If Kim uses the solar oven, we don't use the generator at all, which is great. So with the solar, what we can't run on it is the cooker for a long time. We can't run the washing machine, our water maker, things like that, because they take up so much power and they do the batteries no good. Still thinking of a battery solution in the future where we'll be able to use and run more, but that's something for the future. When we do run the generator, it's not just for one thing. If we're cooking, we're making water, we run the washing machine, we make full use of it. We went to Trinidad because we were told that the work there was good and it was a reasonable price. I even got a quote in Grenada and they were over twice as expensive as Trinidad. I was really happy with the work we got done there. So well done, Trinidad. The frame on the top.
Ow!
What's the matter? What are you doing a dance for?
But it's too hot. It's too hot. Shade. Okay.
They're all, yeah. Oh, I'm doing a Kim dance. Yeah, it is hot.
We are now offering week-long liveaboard experiences on Britican,
which involves either singles or couples with kids to come on and live with us for a week and experience what it's like actually to be a liveaboard on a boat.
So it will be like what we do to maintain the boat, what sails we use, how do we reef, what it's like to sail at night, what it's like to check into a different country, and it could even be what it's like to sail for 2 days in a row non-stop.
Yep.
Remember to visit sailingbritican.com to find out more about our sailing guides, Britican Club, and learn about our week-long Britican liveaboard sailing experience offering.